Mamacita, ang sarap nito.
So Mom, what are we making today?
Today we're gonna make the shrimp seaweed roll, and let me show you how. Peel the shrimp first. Take this off here and get this thing out. See? Okay, look. Good. And then after that, you have to chop the bacon very fine. Chop, 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 chop. Like that. Like this is pretty good now. I want the crestnut jelly because I need to chop that, girl. So now I'm gonna same thing. I'm gonna chop this the same thing. And then after this, I'm gonna mix there. See, this is ginger roots that I need to slice, but I don't need a lot of it, okay? Slice like that. There you go. That's good enough. Garlic. Green onions in English. Sibuyas down in Tagalog. 2 pieces of this. Sometimes I'm talking to my cooking.
What do you say?
I said, oh, you look so good. You look cute. Mushroom. See?
What type of mushroom is it?
I don't know what kind of mushroom
It's
is this.
Mom, it's a shiitake mushroom.
Yes.
Say it's a shiitake mushroom.
Huh?
Say it's a shiitake mushroom.
What?
Shiitake mushroom.
Shiitake mushroom. Slice the same thing. Here, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Ay, pantog mo. Is put in it. You can add if it's not enough to make it sticky, then you have to add some more. See, the sesame oil, not too much, just like to make it smells good. Okay, good. That's good enough. You see this? All the ingredients?
Hold it out.
Okay, here you go. Okay.
No, hold it out.
Then I mix it now, Shelly. See, look how I mix it there together. We can sit there for 30 minutes until I'm done with the shrimps. See, the shrimps? I have to marinate it with lemon and soy sauce and also sesame oil. This is the dry seaweeds that we use in a California roll. This is the shrimps. Put it flat here. Be sure the tail is out. Put the filling just like that. So you have to roll it. Roll. You roll more. See? This is how you roll it. Let's go fry now so that we can eat. So when you're done that, you have to fry it. After you fry that one, I guess you can use also the lumpia sauce to eat. They're done. This is how it look like. Let's go and eat it. Try it. Oh my goodness. Mamacita. Ang sarap nito. Nang luto ko. Mga. Oh my goodness, really. Yum, 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 yum. To try this, you're gonna say, I need some more. Salamat guys for watching my video. This shrimp rolls seaweeds. This is really good. So keep watching more videos to come. Okay? Salamat po sa inyong lahat ulit.